Unleash your creativity and unlock a universe of income streams by mastering Stable Diffusion, the revolutionary AI art generator. This isn't just about making pretty pictures. It's about building a business first. Let's dive into creating and selling your AI art. Think beyond just landscapes. Experiment with unique styles, niche subjects like vintage sci-fi book covers, or personalized pet portraits. Platforms like Etsy, Society6, or even Redbubble are fantastic marketplaces to showcase and sell your digital creations or prints. Ready to offer a service? Many businesses and individuals need custom visuals but lack the artistic or technical skills. Set yourself up as an AI image generation service. Clients will come to you with specific requests. Why Think marketing materials, social media content, website banners, or even illustrations for presentations. Clearly define your offerings and pricing. Will you offer a set number of revisions? Different resolution outputs. Consider specializing in a particular niche for higher perceived value. For those with a bit more technical inclination, developing custom Stable Diffusion models opens up even more lucrative avenues. Imagine training a model on a specific artistic style, like a particular painter's technique, or for a niche application like concept art for a gaming studio. You can then license these custom models to businesses or individuals who need highly specialized image generation capabilities. This requires a deeper understanding of AI and data, but the potential for high-value projects is immense. From captivating digital art to bespoke visual solutions, Stable Diffusion offers a powerful toolkit for creative entrepreneurs. Start experimenting, build your portfolio, and discover your path to profitability in the exciting world of AI-generated art.